When it comes to reliable HVAC services in Glendale, Arizona, Ufirst Heating and Cooling is your trusted contractor. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we specialize in providing top-notch heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle all your HVAC needs, from installations to repairs and maintenance, with professionalism and expertise. At Ufirst Heating and Cooling, we prioritize transparency and reliability, ensuring that every job is completed to the highest standards. Trust us as your go-to HVAC contractor in Glendale, Arizona, for dependable service that puts you first. Contact us today at Ufirst Heating and Cooling to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Ufirst Heating and Cooling. Who should I contact for HVAC contractor services in Glendale, Arizona? For reliable HVAC contractor services in Glendale, Arizona, look no further than Ufirst Heating and Cooling. What types of HVAC services does Ufirst Heating and Cooling offer in Glendale, Arizona? Ufirst Heating and Cooling provides a wide range of HVAC services including installation, repair, maintenance, and ductwork in Glendale, Arizona. What is your HVAC contractor for Glendale, Arizona? Our local HVAC contractor have served clients in the surrounding areas of Glendale, Chandler, Tempe, Scottsdale, Phoenix, Peoria, New River, Cave Creek, Mesa, Queen Creek, Goodyear, Litchfield Park, Fountain Hills, Gilbert, Buckeye, Wittmann, Sun Lakes, Arizona. Where is your Ufirst Heating and Cooling office located? We are located at 7021 West Augusta Avenue, Glendale, Arizona 85303. Our phone number is 623-343-9915. Visit our website, https://ufirstheatingandcooling.com/.